In today's class, we will learn about the voice change of simple present tense. So let us have an example of simple present tense. He kills a snake. He kills a snake. The sentence is in the active voice. Now we have to change this active sentence into a passive one. If we want to change this active sentence into a passive one, what shall we do? First, we have to know, or we have to recognize the subject, the verb, and the object in the sentence. So let us recognize which one is the subject, which one is the verb, and which is the object in the sentence. He is the subject because the subject generally comes first in a sentence. Then comes the verb. So kills is the verb here, and then come the other words. A snake is the object here. Now, as per the rules of voice change, the object in the active voice becomes the subject in the passive voice. So, the object a snake will become the subject in the passive voice. So, let us write a snake first. Subject, object, subject. Now, we must look at the verb. The verb is kills, and the sentence is in the present tense. If the sentence is in the simple present tense, the present forms of the verb be, that is am, is, are, help us to pacify the sentence. The forms of the verb be, that is am, is, are, will help us here to pacify the sentence. We have to decide which one of these three will help us here. Can we write a snake am? Can you write it? A snake am? No, we can't write a snake am because the verb am does not agree with the subject a snake. The verb am agrees with the subject I. We can write I am, but we can't write a snake am. Can we write are? A snake are? Can you write it? A snake are? No, we can't write a snake are because are is a plural verb and a snake is a singular subject, and a singular subject does not agree with a plural verb, so we can't write are. We must write is. Singular subject, singular verb. A singular subject agrees with a singular verb, so we must write is after the subject a snake. Now we must look at the main verb. The main verb is kills. We know that the past participle form of the main verb is always used in the passive voice, so we must use the past participle form of the verb kills in the passive voice. The past participle form of the verb kills is killed. Kill, killed, killed. So we must use killed. Kills, base form of the verb. Killed, the past participle form of the verb. Now we must look at the subject. As per the rules of voice change, the subject becomes the object in the passive voice. So he will become the object in the passive voice. Can we write he as the object? No, we can't write he as the object because he is in the nominative case. The objective case of the pronoun he is him. So we must write him as the object. And generally, by precedes the object in the passive voice. Subject, object. Let us now recapitulate what we have already learned. The object becomes the subject. Object becomes the subject. Is the form of the verb be is helps us here to specify the sentence. The third form of the verb kill has been used. Kills, killed, and he becomes the object. We can't write he as the object, so we must write him, and by precedes the object him. So that's all for today's class. We will learn more about voice in the next